I now understand the point of a blue heeler. He's been working this pig to us since we found him. Come on, buddy. Bring him over here. Get him. Go get him. Get him, buddy. Is he taking a nap? Yeah, we'll keep Buddy. Buddy, does he want you to rub his belly?
I kind of want to crawl under that fence and just go pick him up.
I know. He's going to move as soon as we go over there.
Maybe not, though. I mean,
look at him. He's not moving. Buddy's trying, too. He couldn't have done that right here. Jude, go ahead and go under the fence.
Jude's not going to be able to pick him up, though.
Yes, I can.
We'll see. Come on. He'll squeal.
Baby, he's going to scream so loud, you're going to have to squeeze him so tight.
Look, he seriously is about to take a nap. I'm about to crawl under there. Here, hold this.
So you are being a child.
Here.
You're being a child right now.
You're being a child right now.
Whatever I gotta do.
Why are you trying to be a kid?
It's gonna hurt.
I think there's an easier way.
I think so too.
I'm not
How am I
laughing.
gonna get back over here?
Just go in the fence in the gate somewhere. Is the gate down there?
Yeah, you know how fast he'll get up? That dude is out.
Buddy's got him, though.
Sure. He's on the gate. I don't think there is a gate on it.
Uh-oh, never mind. Buddy, don't follow Daddy.
There's not a gate on this side.
There's got to be. They drive in there. They get in somewhere.
No, this fence is way high up right here.
Childhood memories?
Huh?
Childhood memories?
I wish
There's so much room for him to run right here. You're going to have to grab him so tight.
Well, he's gonna have plenty of room, Mama. What do you think of getting the pigs when he goes
Look, he
out?
got up as soon as Daddy got close.
He's like, I'm not sleeping. He's like, I'm not sleeping. Mama. Both of them taking him. Mama. He's like, I'm not sleeping. Mama. Right?
Huh?
What?
Oh, Daddy got him! Daddy got him! Hold him close to you, baby. Now somehow Mommy's got to get him from Daddy so Daddy can get through. I don't know. Jude, you record. Hold the phone. I got to get the pig, okay? We got Veg. Look, Joe. He's okay. We got Veggie Tales.
I love you, Veggie Tales.
Do you want me to just toss him in your...
My tailgate's open.
But Mama, no, Mama. You said we have a pallet in there for him. What?
This is a better idea for him.
Why?
Because he'll be safer.
But what if he gets hurt?
Hey, Jack. You need to go fast because it sounds like you have something filled back there and he's going to drink it. It is? Okay, it feels no more like water.
Should I record? Do I do it?